Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4C from chapter expansions. So starting with question number 3, expand first part x plus y minus z the whole square, second part x minus 2y plus 2 the whole square, third part 5a minus 3b plus c the whole square, fourth part 5x minus 3y minus 2 the whole square, and fifth part x minus 1 upon x plus 5 the whole square. Now students, over here notice there are three terms. Notice correctly. There are three terms and whole square, whole square, whole square, whole square, whole square. So this is of the form a plus or minus b plus or minus c the whole square. Okay, there are three terms in between plus or minus sign and the whole square here. So we use the identities based on this. Okay, so now let us start with sub question 1. X plus y minus z the whole square. A, B, C. Okay, so what we will do? We write down. We know that A plus b minus c the whole square. Why did I take minus c? A positive है, B positive है, C negative है. Okay. Now what you will do? Square each and every term. A square plus b square plus c square. Then 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Simple. Okay. A square, b square, c square, and ab, bc, ca. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now, A and B both are positive, so 2AB will be positive. B and C, B is positive, C is negative, positive into negative gives negative, and C is negative, A is positive, so negative into positive gives negative. We use this formula and expand. Okay, so now x plus y minus z the whole square is equal to A की जगह पे x, B की जगह पे y and C की जगह पे z. Okay? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ab, 2 into x into y. Okay? Minus 2 into b into c, that is y into z. Now students, don't substitute minus z over here. We have already put minus sign for the negative terms. Okay, so you don't need to put minus sign over here, it will go wrong. Okay, so हम लोग ने already minus sign यहाँ पे formula में substitute किया है because z is negative. Okay, so put z only, don't put minus z. Minus 2bc, minus 2ca, minus 2ca. That is z into x. ठीक है? So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now coming to sub question 2. X minus 2y plus 2 the whole square. Now students, A, B, C. A minus B plus C, the whole square. Okay, so we write down the formula according to the sign. We know that A minus B plus C, the whole square is equal to square A square plus B square plus C square. Then 2AB, 2bc, 2ca. Simple. Now put the signs. A is positive, B is negative. Positive into negative, negative. B is negative, C is positive. Negative into positive, negative. C and A both are positive. Positive into positive, very positive. So we got the identity formula मिल गया. Now, therefore x minus 2y plus 2 the whole square is equal to, substitute A की जगह पे x, B की जगह पे 2y and C की जगह पे into the whole square. Now minus 2 into a into b, that is x into 2y, minus 2 into b into c, that is 2y into 2, plus 2 into ca, that is 2 into x. Okay? Now students, minus 2y here, then don't put minus 2y over here. Okay, you have to put positive 2y only over here. Okay, we already have put negative sign in the identity. Okay, so you don't need to put negative sign again. X square, 2 का square 4, y square plus 2 का square 4, minus multiply the numbers first. 2 into 2, 4, x, y. Minus multiply the numbers first. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into y. Again multiply the numbers first. 4x. Okay. In third question, 5a minus 3b plus c the whole square. A minus b plus c. Now over here we have a, b and c already. So what we will do in formula? We know that take capital letters. A minus है minus b plus c the whole square is equal to square each and every term, a square plus b square plus c square. Then write 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Now a is positive, b is negative, positive into negative, negative. B is negative, c is positive, negative into positive, negative. C is positive, a is positive, positive into positive will be positive. Simple. Now, therefore 5a minus 3b plus c is square is equal to a square, that is 5a ka square. Put brackets, students. Please put brackets, you have to square 5 also, not just a. B is 3b over here and c is c only. Minus 2ab, that is 5a into 3b. Minus 2bc, that is 2 into 3b into c. Plus 2c, that is 2 into c into 5a. Okay? 5 का square 25, a का square a square plus 3 का square is 9, b का square is b square and c का square is c square minus multiply the numbers first. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. ab minus multiply the numbers first. 2 3s are 6, b, c, plus again the numbers first. 2 5s are 10, c, a. Okay? Now in fourth question, a is 5x, b is 3y and c is 2. So we know that a, b, c the whole square. A is positive, b is negative, c is negative. Okay? So a square plus b square plus c square. Then 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Now put the signs. A is positive, b is negative, positive into negative, negative. B and c both are negative, negative into negative, positive. C and a, c is negative and a is positive, negative into positive is negative. So this is the identity. Now let us expand this. So 5x minus 3y minus 2 the whole square is equal to a ka square, that is 5x. This whole thing is a, this whole thing is b. Okay? So 3y, put brackets and then square, plus 2 square. Now minus 2ab. So minus 2 into a is 5x, b is 3y, plus 2bc, that is 2 into 3y into 2 minus 2c8, that is 2 into 5x. Okay. Now 5 का square 25, x का square x square, 3 का square 9, y का square y square plus 4 minus, multiply the numbers first, 2 5 are 10, 10 3s are 30, then the variable is xy, plus multiply the numbers first, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and y, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 into x. Now coming to last question, we know that a, b, c the whole square है. A is positive, b is negative, c is positive. Simple. Now square. A square plus b square plus c square, then 2ab, 2bc and 2ca. Okay. Now A is positive, B is negative. A positive, B negative. Positive into negative, negative. B is negative, C is positive. Negative into positive, negative. C and A. C is positive, A is positive. So positive. Now x minus 1 upon x plus 5 the whole square is equal to a square, that is x square, plus b is 1 upon x, so 1 upon x the whole square. C is 5, so 5 square, minus 2ab, so 2 into x into 1 upon x, minus 2bc, that is 2 into 1 upon x into 5, okay, plus 2ca, so that is 2 into 5 into x. Students, over here x gets cancelled. And x square plus 1 ka square is 1, x ka square is x square, plus 5 ka square gives 25, minus 2 into 1, nothing is left, so 2, minus, multiply the numerators ka numbers, ठीक है, 2 into 1 into 5, so that is nothing but 10, so minus 10, and in denominator there is x, ठीक है, over here 2 5s are 10, 10 into x, so that is 10.